Are you tired of scrambling for cash to pay a friend back? Do you wish there was an easier way to split a dinner bill or send money to a family member? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we're going to break down how to use Zelle, a fast, safe, and easy way to send money right from your banking app. Zelle is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that's integrated into many mobile banking apps across the U.S. It lets you send money directly from your bank account to someone else's, often in just minutes. Best of all, there are typically no fees to use it. Now, let's walk through the steps to send money. Step-by-step guide to sending money with Zelle. First, enroll in Zelle. If your bank offers Zelle, you can enroll directly through your bank's mobile app. Look for an option like Send Money with Zelle in your app's menu. If your bank isn't a partner, you can still use Zelle by downloading the standalone Zelle app and linking a Visa or MasterCard debit card. Once you've enrolled, you'll connect your email address or U.S. mobile number to your bank account. Next, add your recipient. Once you're in the Zelle section of your app, you'll need to add the person you want to pay. You'll typically do this by entering their U.S. mobile phone number or email address. If they're already enrolled in Zelle, you'll see a small purple Z next to their name in your contacts. Always double-check their information to make sure you're sending money to the right person. Remember, Zelle payments are like cash and can't always be canceled. Third, enter the amount and send. Choose the amount of money you want to send and an optional note for the recipient, like dinner money. Review all the details, including the recipient's information and the amount, then hit send. The money is on its way and will typically be available to them within minutes if they're also enrolled with Zelle. It's that simple. Keep in mind that Zelle should only be used to send money to people you know and trust. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.